Welcome to the enchanting world of the Dolphin Theatre Festival 2027. Set against the stunning backdrop of Sri Lanka's coastal paradise.
I'm Uli from Italy and I support the Art Village.
Hi from all of us, sending peace, love and action to all those involved with the space of the oppressed. Yeah, please support. Ciao.
Hello everybody, namaste. My name is Chetna. I wanted to congratulate Kasun for creating this amazing theatre festival in 2027, and really it's a great honor to be associated with Kasun and this theatre festival. I also want to congratulate Kasun for publishing and writing this book, which is the first one in applied theatre from Sri Lanka. So many hearty wishes from India, and from me, I'm also an applied theatre and social arts practitioner. So it's a proud moment for me and for the entire fraternity. Thank you so much, Kasun. See you soon and all the best. Thank you.
This vibrant festival will celebrate the rich tapestry of performing arts, uniting local and international artists in a spectacular showcase of creativity and cultural exchange.
Congratulations all the people organizing the International Theatre Festival in August of 2027 in Sri Lanka, and all the initiatives about the art village. It will be amazing to use the art to change our society. This is very important all over the world. We must do like action like that to change all the world. Hope we can see each other in 2027 in Sri Lanka.
Hi, I'm Deborah Lisa Moore. I'm a director and theatre maker from Australia. I am making this video to express my fullest support in no uncertain terms of this initiative. Applied theatre is really important and can save and activate so many children, adults who may not have opportunities in their lives. It is a safe and very hands-on way for people to explore possibilities in their life that they may not have had before. So yes, that is that is what I want to say by this, that I do support it, and it's a wonderful initiative. So please, 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 everyone support it. It is important. Thank you.
This festival aims to unite diverse cultures, languages and theatrical traditions in an immersive environment where creativity and dialogue flourish.
Hi, I'm David Diamond, founder of Theatre for Living in Vancouver, Canada. Theatre for Living grew out of Augusta Boal's Theatre of the Oppressed and my own theatre background and lifelong interest in physics. I've never met Kasun, but I am aware that he is a respected artist, playwright, actor. In this time of deep polarization around the world, any project, the creation of written material, artist centers, theater festivals that bring people together to build bridges, not more walls, is, I think, vitally important and worth supporting. So this is me supporting that work. Whoever's seeing this, please, if you can help make it happen. The world needs more of this, not less. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kasun Thioanka. I am extremely happy, immensely happy to see that you are going to organize a festival. Right now I am in Greece. I can see people in the carnival mode. So everywhere in the world, festival was conceived because festival delivers us the feeling of human beings, feeling of social being, and it also gives us a space to share our creativity, to share our friendship. In other words, festival is an art of creating connection. So I would love to join you, and I would request everyone to join your festival. And in advance, I am also thanking you and committing that I will be always by your side while you work on creating your art village, and I would also love to read your book on applied theatre. Thank you. Lots of love.
Hi, my name is Karan Russell. I'm a theatre educator and a Theatre of the Oppressed practitioner in Pune, India. And I was so excited to hear about the Space for the Oppressed that Kasun and the team are opening over the next few years. Excited because I've seen how impactful a space like this can be. In my work, which is mostly with young people, the biggest change that I see is increasing a sense of self-confidence, but also community and social skills, and even things like literacy can improve. through engaging with the arts. For the wider community, it becomes a kind of multifunctional space, a space for fostering an appreciation for the arts, as well as, again, for forming stronger bonds among the community, and also for dialogue and conversation about real issues of oppression that the community might be facing. So I really hope to visit as a participant and or as a teacher. And once again, I would just like to congratulate Kasun and the whole team. I'm going to be watching this space closely to see how it unfolds.
Hi, my name is Naresh Kaushal and I'm speaking from RodLab in London.
Hi, my name's Paul Formosa. I'm the other half of the RodLab team based in London.
RodLab is a grassroots Theatre of the Oppressed group in London. Paul, do you want to say a little bit more?
Yes, we combine a unique blend of games, theory and techniques, and we've found this to be really popular in the sessions we've run so far, and the numbers are growing and growing. We're really looking forward to sharing our expertise, experience and techniques with everybody at the upcoming Space for the Oppressed Drama Festival in 2027.
Yeah, I mean the book looks really exciting, and the art village is a fantastic concept. I think the idea of bringing international voices together is really, really important, particularly in the time that we've all lived globally through, and no doubt will continue to. I think bringing together Theatre of the Oppressed practitioners to share and learn from each other is going to be of huge benefit to everyone who's involved.
We really support the work of Kasun Phawanka in particular, and his contribution to applied theatre, especially in Sri Lanka. So we're looking forward to supporting and being involved in whatever way we can. Thank you.
The International Dolphin Theatre Concept Festival 2027 promises to be a transformative event where cultural exchange and collaboration form the foundation for a brighter, more inclusive future in the arts.
Welcome to the Dolphin Theatre, a space for transformation, resilience, and hope.